Hi everyone. Um, we are being pushed towards radical authenticity, and I'm becoming more and more authentic. I cannot pretend anymore. I cannot mask anymore. Um, and with the masking, it's a lot deeper than you might think. At least for my story. I have been in a process of discovering that um, the sensitivity I already dealt with all my life, and um, frequent meltdowns um, in my childhood, a lot of depression and anxiety, um, has become clearer to me now that they were symptoms, and they were symptoms of me being autistic. Um, it's still strange for me to speak this out loud, but I feel it's very healing for me if I start doing that. I have been masking for 40 years, forcing myself to make eye contact with people, making longer conversations with people than my body actually can handle. A lot of things. So for me, the process of unmasking is where I'm at right now. Um, and I'm really curious about what it is that you have to come into radical authenticity with, because these energies are not joking around, and they're really pushing us towards becoming um, one of a kind.